Reselling clothes online is a great way to earn money from home. The resale market is growing rapidly, and it's insane how many people prefer shopping for secondhand clothes online, rather than at retail shops. If you have old clothes that you are not wearing, then why let them go to waste? Sell them instead and make some extra cash in the process. The top benefits of reselling clothes online are that you can manage everything from your smartphone. It's the perfect side hustle that you can do in your spare time, plus it also has the potential to turn into a full-time income. In this video, we are going to share with you the best places for reselling clothes online. You can start earning money today, and all from the comfort of your own home. So, without waiting, let's jump right in. Number 1. eBay. eBay is one of the biggest and most popular reselling platforms in the world. If you have ever sold anything online before, then you will know just how easy it is to list your products on eBay. You can take photos and manage all of your listings for sale directly from your phone using the eBay app. The only restriction is that the item you are selling needs to be in a good condition and clean so that it is eligible to be resold. eBay allows you to sell a variety of different fashion items, including both new and used clothing. A great place to start is to list your old clothes, shoes, and even accessories. Selling on eBay gives you access to a worldwide audience. They currently have more than 1 billion users who come to the platform each month looking to purchase. Since they already have such a large community, this makes the chances higher that someone will find your items online that you have listed for sale. Number 2. ThreadUp. ThreadUp is one of the biggest online clothing resale stores in the world. With millions of customers shopping on their site every month, it is a great place to resell your clothes and make some extra cash. Their selection of products is very large and covers everything from men's, women's, children's, and even baby clothes. You can sell almost any type of garment on their website, and they also accept shoes and accessories. More than 50% of the items listed on their site are brand new, so it's perfect if you want to resell old or new clothes online and make a larger profit. This is a great platform to get started on if you are new at reselling. Number 3. Tradesy. Tradesy is another great place for reselling your clothes online. If you have high-end or designer items, then this is the perfect place for you to sell them and make a profit. Tradesy is a peer-to-peer marketplace. They have a large customer base and millions of people shop on their website every month, which accounts for billions of searches. Number 4. OfferUp. If you want to make money reselling clothes online and you live in a large city, then OfferUp is the perfect place for you. It is available in more than 90% of cities across the US, and their customer base keeps growing each day. The site is very user-friendly and easy to navigate through. You can sell almost anything that you want on OfferUp, including clothes, shoes, accessories, furniture, electronics, toys, and more. You can even sell food items if you want to. OfferUp allows you to set your own prices, and you can also select the location for your sale. If you are interested in selling online locally, then OfferUp is a great option. Number 5. Mercari. Mercari is a reselling app that makes it easy to sell your clothes. Simply download the app, take some pictures of your clothes, and list them for sale online. The platform takes a small percentage of each sale you make, and then you get to keep the rest of the money. You can also choose to donate your clothes instead of selling them. Donating is a great way to declutter your closet and help those in need. So whether you're looking to make some extra cash or simply declutter your closet, reselling your clothes on Mercari is a great option. Number 6. Facebook Marketplace. Facebook is more than just a social media platform. You can also make money by reselling your clothes on the Facebook Marketplace. If you already have a Facebook account, then it is super easy to get started. The best way to get your items found on Facebook Marketplace is to create an attractive title and description for your product. Be sure to include information about the size, brand, and condition of the items. Once your post is live, potential buyers will start messaging you with offers. If you're happy with an offer, arrange a time and place to meet so they can pay you and pick up the clothes. Reselling clothes on Facebook Marketplace is a simple and easy way to make some extra money and clear out your closet at the same time. Number 7. Depop. Depop is another great platform where you can resell your clothes. It's easy to set up an account and start listing your items. However, there are a few things you can do to make sure your listings are successful. First, take clear, well-lit photos of your items. This will help potential buyers get a good sense of what they're looking at. Second, write detailed descriptions of each item, including any flaws or imperfections. Buyers appreciate honesty, and it will help them make an informed decision. Finally, be responsive to any questions or offers you receive. If you're quick to respond and provide good customer service, you're more likely to make a sale. By following these simple tips, you can maximize your chances of success. There are so many options available when it comes to reselling your clothes online for money. All of these platforms that we included allow you to sell other items besides just clothes. So, what are you waiting for? You can get started today. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to be notified when we post more free information to help you earn money from home. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.